Hey, Ashley.
Hi.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Oh my gosh,
today.
yes. Thank you for having me.
You are welcome. You are welcome. It's a beautiful day here.
It
We're
is.
hanging out in the garage. Got lots of things going on here. And this campaign, let's talk about it. It's all about
Yes.
expressing yourself.
Yes, like that's my favorite thing in the world to do. It is.
Well, that's why we picked you. That's
Ah.
why we picked you to be part of this. So let's get into our questions. What are 3 ways you like to express yourself?
Clothes. Clothes, hair. And just anything artistic, my home decor, anything like that. But definitely with clothing, I feel like I stopped caring what anybody thought, and it felt the best. The best.
Totally. You definitely own your look and your style. That's why we love you. You're
Thank you.
unique. You're individual. It's so much fun to watch everything you do on social. It's our favorite.
Okay. You guys are way too nice, but keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep telling me all the things. Tell me all the things.
We will. So, speaking of social, you have a lot of posts, but what is one post that you feel best expresses yourself?
Well,
Break it down for us.
I thought you would never ask. Well, all right. So here on my Insta, Rainy Day James 3611. This looks like a dramatic shot, but this post sticks out to me because for me it was a low time. I'm a big advocate of like mental health and kind of owning that. And so I found, every girl loves a good Pinterest quote or whatever, but I found this and it really resonated. I was in such a low spot and it said, read it slowly, but I won't go too slow, guys. Imagine your mind like a garden and your thoughts are the seeds. You get to choose what seeds you plant in it. You can plant seeds of positivity, love, and abundance, or you can plant seeds of negativity, fear, and lack. You can also spend time trying to take care of everyone else's garden, or you can work on making yours beautiful and attract other beautiful people into your garden. And I was at literally such a low spot, and just reading that and then having the feedback and messages from people like, okay, that resonates. And then knowing that even if it just helps one person out there that's really lacking that energy or that just wanting to feel better, and you can get in those low spots.
What I think is really cool about that is that you're expressing yourself.
Yes.
And expression doesn't always have to be this kind of positivity
Right.
thing,
Yes.
We don't have to look through these rose-colored
Yes,
pictures all the
because
time.
sometimes, sometimes I like to color outside the lines. I like to, and express it doesn't have to be like art. It doesn't have to be this beautiful thing. You can spill out your guts. You can literally put the ugly out there. What you think is ugly is beautiful to somebody else, they literally, you want to know that other people out there, aren't perfect. There's no such thing as perfect.
Yeah. Couldn't agree more, and love that you're willing to share that. All right. Any interesting nuggets you can share about your personal journey, learning to embrace who you are, feeling comfortable expressing that? We've already kind of started to talk
That
about
is
it.
loaded question,
It totally is.
but it's like an onion. There's layers to every person. And since a young age, I've always been I'm quote unquote spastic and I just own my weirdness, but the embracing my gray hair, that's like a big kick you in the face to society. Don't get me started on society. I don't want society's norms. And so anything I could do that is no, this is what I want to do. And I don't give a, what you think. And then you grow as a person and you get that confidence. So confidence comes from within. And if you wear it on the outside, I think that people appreciate that and love that. So that's always my goal, is to just continue to embrace what I want to do and not worry about it, because people are going to talk no matter what.
100%.
There's always the negative Nancy's. Sorry, anybody named Nancy out there. You're fine. I'm sure you're not negative, but there's always going to be somebody that's going to not believe in you.
Yeah.
So then that doesn't matter. That's a them problem, not you problem.
Love it. Love it. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with
You
us,
guys,
answering
thank
those
you.
great
Oh my gosh. Hopefully we didn't get too deep on everybody, but
No, you're so
you're
fun.
loved.
All right. Well, we'll talk to you later.
See you guys. Peace out.
Bye.